Hand-drawn Hank, yeah!
Hi, everybody. It's me, Hand-drawn Hank.
And I'm Baby Hand-drawn Hank.
Oh, hello, baby Hand-drawn Hank. And today is episode number 10. 10. 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. Woo! Hello, I am the wizard, and this is my wizard's lair. Today, we will do magic. I think with my magic today I will make a zoo. But not just any zoo, a dinosaur zoo. But not just any dinosaur zoo, a magical dinosaur wizard zoo. The first dinosaur in my wizard zoo shall be a triceratops. But that's too boring. Let's do better. Let's use magic. Flippity-flu, clippity-clops, shamalama-ding-dong. I'll make a fly-ceratops. Next, in my wizard's dinosaur zoo, I shall make a stegosaurus, but that's too boring. I shall use my magic. Flippity-doo, Fortis, Taurus, shamalama-ding-dong, let's make a LEG-osaurus! In my dinosaur wizard zoo, I shall make out a brachiosaurus. But that's too boring, so let's use magic. Flippity-doo, Magicaborachus. Let's make a snakiosaurus. I shall make a pterodactyl, but that is too boring. Let's use magic. Zip, 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 flagactyl. Using magic, let's make a squareadactyl. I shall add the king of dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus Rex. But that's too boring, so let's use magic. Sua, Duba, I love a Tex-Mex. With a little magic, make a Tyrannosaurus Flex. Oh yeah! Check out the gun! Roar! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Roar! And now, just for you, I shall use my magic for one last surprise. It's a spell I've never done before. It could be quite dangerous. Here we go. Flooba-dooba magic. What do I surmise? Use this magic for a big surprise! I guess nothing happened. I guess I really need to work on my... I really need to practice that spell.
Guess what? It's drawing time! Drawing time! Woo! Hi, everybody. For today's drawing time, we're going to draw LEG-osaurus. It's going to be great. Here we go. First, let's draw one of our LEG-osaurus's eyeballs. Like this. Good job. And the inside. All right, looking good. Now, we're going to draw the beak of our LEG-osaurus. It's going to curve up and then come down to make a little point like this. First, I'll draw the curve. Good job. And then swing it out. Whee! There you go. Now, bring that up and around to make a happy LEG-osaurus like this. Ta-da! Good job. Let's draw that other eye. Easy peasy. All right, looking good. Now, let's draw the top of the head. It's just like a half circle that comes up from the middle of the eyes. Good job. And the back of the head is just two little lines. Boop, boop. Easy peasy. And a little bump to show a fold in the skin. Whoop. Looking good. All right. Let's draw the bottom lip. Very easy. Just curve it around like this. Good job. And let's draw the bottom of the jaw. It's just a swinging, curvy line. All right. Good job. We're going to draw a little curve. Now, we're ready to do the hard part. We got to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs on the back of the LEG-osaurus. This is crazy. To do this, you're just going to draw a curve that looks a lot like an S. Watch. Good job. And once you get the hang of this, you can draw them really fast because they're all the same. To draw the other side of the leg, you just do the opposite, like this. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Let's draw the base. We're going to make it sharp lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and straight. Ta-da! Now 2 little lines. 1 and 2. Good job. And now you're going to draw 3 circles. Circle 1. Circle 2 stacks behind it. And circle 3 stacks behind that. Ta-da! Just fold it on over. And you got your first leg. Good job. Now, just draw another little curve. This one's going to be a little bigger and a little taller. Here we go. Good job. Sharp line, doink, doink, and straight. All right. 1 line, 2 line, and then just draw those 3 circles that stack on top of each other. 1, 2, and 3. And bring it around and fold it over. Good job. We're going to draw the next leg. This one's going to be the biggest and tallest of all the legs. So make it bigger and taller than this, and then they'll get smaller again. But here we go. Whoop. I'm just going to go for this one and see if you can draw along. So here we go. First, we draw the big long S. Boop. Draw the opposite. Boop. We draw the sharp lines. Boop, 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 boop. Ta-da! Little line. Doo-doo, doo-doo. 3 circles, 1 and 2 and 3, and bring it around and fold it over. Ta-da! You guys are doing great! Let's finish this line. All right, now this leg here should be about the size of this leg here. This is going to be our 4th leg. So we're going to actually bring the line down because now we're going down his back. And we're going to draw the 4th leg on the back of our LEG-osaurus. Just like before, draw that S. Draw the opposite side. Boop. Sharp lines. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ta-da! 1 and 2 and 3. Stacking circles. 1, 2, and 3. Bring it around, fold it over. Ta-da! 2 more legs and we are all done. This one's gonna be even smaller. So bring this line down. Woo. And we're gonna make it go off this way because it's gonna be sticking out from his body. So draw the S. Boop, boop. Good job. Sharp line, sharp line, sharp line, sharp line. Ta-da! 1 and 2. 1, 2, and 3. And bring it around. Ta-da! We're getting fast. Bring the line down. And do it again. 1. Now this one's going to be the smallest of the back legs. 2. Sharp line, sharp line, sharp line, sharp line. Ta-da! And 1 and 2. And draw those 3 stacking circles. 1, 2, and 3. Bring it around. Ta-da! Good job. Now we're just going to draw the tip of the tail. It's not that long, just like this. Okay, next we're going to draw the top of our LEG-osaurus' belly. So just draw a nice little curve like this. That's all. Now we're going to draw the front of his leg with a big curve. Looking good. And we're going to draw the front of the foot like this. Easy peasy. Now we need to draw the front of our LEG-osaurus' belly. So just go back up to here and draw a curve down. Boo! All right. Draw a little line to show the contours of his stomach. Now we're doing great. We're going to draw a big long curve all the way to the bottom like this. Boo! Good job. And then 3 stacking circles, just like before. We should be good at this by now. 1, 2, and 3. And then just whoop, ta-da! 1 leg done, and we're almost done. Let's draw a little line here because it looks cool. Whoop. And let's draw the back leg, just a curve down. Whoop. 3 stacking circles. 1, 2, and 3. Ta-da! Looking good. Now we're going to continue this top line just like this. Boo! And stop, because we need to leave space for that big back leg. For that big back leg, we're just going to draw a big round swoopy curve, like a big long S like before, but bigger because it's a big back leg, like this. Boo! Looking good. Let's go ahead and draw the back of that leg, and that's just a big half circle. All right, let's draw a line here, whoop, because it looks cool, and here, whoop, because it looks awesome. And while we're here, let's draw this line all the way up to the bottom of the tail. Ta-da! Looking good. Let's draw a little curve back here, whoop, and 3 big circles. 1, 2, and 3. Ta-da! Draw a flat line and fold it over. And you got yourself a nice back leg. Good job. Let's draw that belly. Just draw a big curve. Ta-da! And draw these lines to show those belly contours that we like so much. All right. And do another one. Awesome. Looking good. And some more of those contours, and they're going to get closer together as the tail tapers off. Ta-da! 1 line. Whoop. 3 circles, 1 and 2 and 3, and ta-da! We just drew an amazing LEG-osaurus. Good job! Now, let's color it.
way to go. Woohoo! Remember, if you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe below. And this has been Hand Drawn Hank. Woo! Hand Drawn Hank, yeah!